Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to open up the Jabra Move headset. I need to open up to get into the inside to just have a quick look, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So firstly, what you can do is you can remove these ear cushions. It's pretty simple, you just pull it open. I've got another video that actually shows you just the way you can replace these ones, so I'll put a link also in the description. So with these ones, you will notice that there's a few screws here. Now if you want to get to the inside where all the circuits are, you don't need to open up this section and remove these screws. Removing these screws basically opens up the panel where the speaker is, but you won't get into the inside. So what you do is, if you rotate this anti-clockwise, so you put on this on the left hand side and you turn it anti-clockwise. So this one's pretty loose because I've already made sure it opens up. You'll see that you can get to the circuitry and all the wires inside. So all you needed to do was to twist it. So now I'm going to twist it clockwise to lock it in. So if you twist it clockwise this way, so going clockwise locks it in, anti-clockwise this way opens it up. So this one's a bit loose because I opened it up previously. So there you go. If this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.